Today we do the insertion operation. In red black trees. Okay, everybody can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Well, now I want to insert two. I'm inserting the nodes from starting onwards. My first step is to insert 2. So root node can be a black node or red node. So root node is a black node. So this will be the first thing. After 2 inserting, I want to insert 1.
That screen is not visible, sir.
Now
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to insert, already tree has 2, it's a black node. Now I want to insert 1. 1 is a black node or red node. Actually 1 should come left side. So it will be a red node. To this tree, I want to insert 4. So 4 is greater than 2. It will be right of the second child. So this will be a black node as it is, and black node can consist 2 red nodes. So this is how the tree is inserted. In the first step I have inserted 2. So root node cannot be a red node, so black node. I am inserting 1. It can be a 1 at left side. Then I want to insert 4 at right side. Now I want to insert 5. Where will be 5?
Right side, sir.
I want to insert 5. Where will be 5? Right side. Right side means where? To the 4th node. Now how the tree is? Tree is like this now. So if you insert 5 here, is it right? Wrong. Because the property is no 2 conjugative red node should be there. So here conjugative red node is coming. So what I want to make here, if I make 2 as a red node and 1 and 4 as a black node and again 5 as a red node, this is right?
Yes, sir.
This is also wrong. Why? Root node should be, okay, we call this a red grass tree. And we can write one more case. What may be the one more case? I will make a 2 as a black node and then 1 and 4 as a black node and then 5 as a red node. Can I do this one? Yes. Like this, I can able to insert it out. After inserting node, you check the properties here, what we said. Every node should be red or black. Every leaf node should be null. That should be black. and red node should be both, should be black. Childs. Red node in a red black tree, both the childs should be black. Every part should have same thing. You check it out. For red node, both the childs should be black. This is a true. So this can be done. Now I want to insert.
Sir,
Yes.
2 is the node for 1 and 4, does it?
Yes. Is a parent for 1 and 4.
మన బ్లాక్ కలర్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ సేమ్.
Yeah, can be black node can be consecutive, but no red node should be consecutive. That is our rule.
ఓకే సార్.
Our rule is no red color should be consecutive. Black color can be
Okay.
consecutive. You got right?
ఓకే సార్.
Now again I want to insert 9. Where I want to insert? To this one. This is a tree. For this tree I want to insert 9. So what is the tree? The tree is how it is 2 here, 1 and 4, and right node is 5. So 9 is greater than 5. So it should be at right side. Is it right?
నో సార్.
Wrong. Why? No two consecutive red should be there. Yes. So now how we can write this one? We can write in two ways. We will assume how to write this one. Let me make 2 as a root node and 1 here. For example, if you make 4 as a red node, I'm just changing the color, and then 5 as a black node, and again 9 as a red node. Yes, this can be done, right? No consecutive red nodes is there.
నో సార్, బట్ చైల్డ్ సార్ రెండు సేమ్ కలర్ ఉండాలి కదా సార్, either రెడ్ ఆర్ బ్లాక్.
No. What is the rule is, for red color node, both the child should be black. If you want to enter any child here means, for the root node 4, child should be a black. See here, for red color node, for red node in a red black tree, both the child should be a black for red color node. But here only we have one child. If you try to insert one more child to the 4th node means, then it should be a black. It's a rule. Okay, I go for other case now. One more case. I will go for 2. Sorry. It should be. I will take as a black. 2 as a black. I will put 1 at this. And I will perform some rotate. As we see in the AVL tree, I will perform the left rotate. Left rotate means what? 5 will be a node. Now I will make 4, 9. So this is perfect. You can see here. What I have done here, I have performed the rotate operation. Which rotate? Left rotate. So automatically B node is becoming root node here. 4 will be left of 5. With practice itself, it will be very clear. Without practice, we feel very, very difficult. Now I see another case. We have so far we have seen increasing order, right? First we inserted 2, then 4, 5, and then 9. Now let me insert one decreasing order. Let me insert one, I mean small letter. Let me insert 3. Okay, to which node? To this tree. To this tree we are inserting 3. So we will write as it is the tree 2, 1, 5, and we have 4, 9. 3 means it should be left off here. It should be left off here. If you put here, is it right? Wrong. Why? 2 consecutive red is there. So this cannot be done. So I will go for one more option. I will make 2 as it is here. 1. In this case, I am just changing the color. In this case, I am performing rotation operations. You need to be very clear. 2, 1. Here I have already black color. Let me change as red color. And red color should have 2 black nodes. So I am making as black. And I am again making 3 as red. See, in this case, I am not changing any rotations. I am just changing the colors. Now let me do one more thing. That's it. This is right. We'll agree this is right? Yes, this is right. No consecutive red should be there. We have changed the color. This 100% satisfies the red black tree properties. Hello, are you online?
Sir.
Understanding what I am trying to say? I will come again, no worries. Insert 3, just listen. Once again I will come back. Now let me insert 6 to this one. Where 6 will be?
Right, sir.
Yeah, right side of 2 and then right side of 5 and then this is the tree we have. To this I want to insert 6. So this should be right side. 9 is there. So where it will be? Left.
Side out. Right.
Yeah, so no issues. So insertion 6 is very simple. It has done. No consecutive 2 red is there. And every red node has 2 childs. And the path as well having same nodes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is done. If you want to insert 7.
Sir, that is not binary tree, sir.
It is a binary tree. Why it is not binary tree?
Balance factor is less than or not 1, sir.
We are not worrying about, for a binary tree we will not see the balance factor. For a AVL tree or for tree we will see the balance factor. Here we are not worrying about the balancing factor.
Yes, sir.
We are, red black tree should be a binary tree, that's it. It's a binary tree.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and it should be any red or black. Yes, done. No consecutive 2 reds is there. Done. Every red node should has 2 black nodes. Done. So it's a red black tree. Now insert 7. How to insert 7 to this tree? Where it will be? Let me draw the current tree. Now it's a complex step. You should understand very clearly. By this step I will end this one. Once again I will repeat it. I am drawing the existing tree. 2, 1, 5, and then I have 4, 9, left child is a 3, Again left is a 6. So I want to insert 7. Where 7 should be?
Left of 9, sir.
Yeah, left of 9. Again where is left of 6 or right of 6?
Right of 6.
Yes, if you put your red here, is it right? Wrong.
No, sir.
Because 2 conjugative is there. So
Yes.
I will try to modify this one as I will put 2 here, 1 here. I will put as it is 5. I am trying to change in the colors, okay? And then if I put I am trying to change in the colors. It's if I put 4 as a black and 9 as red, means is it right? Wrong. Red note should consist of what? 2 black notes. So this is not suitable. If you draw like this, means this is not suitable. Why? 2 conjugative red is coming, and red note should has 2 black notes. So this is also wrong.
Sir,
Yes.
6 plus low black pet అయిపోతుంది sir.
Yeah, we will see the next case. Yeah, we will analyze. If you put here black, means again this 2 will be violated, because 5 should has both the black notes, but here one red, one black is there. So this will be a problem. We will put that as well. We will check. You want me to replace 7 here and 6 here, right? I will replace it. I will replace your case, okay? 2, 1. Here will be 5, and then here will be 4, 9. Here you want me to replace as 7 as a black note,
No, sir.
and then if I put here 6, again here the rule is violating. I have changed 7 to 6 and 6 to 7. 2 conjugative is coming, and this red note should has only black childs.
I am saying the color of 6, sir.
6 color should be black.
Yes, sir.
If it is a black, then these 2 properties are violating, because red note should has 2 black childs. Are you understanding?
No, sir. Repeat again, sir.
See, you want me to make this one as black. Am I
Yes,
right? And this one will be as red. Am I right? If you make these 2 black as well, here in this place the rule is violating, because red note should has only 2 black childs.
Yes, sir.
So this is a problem here. This should not be done here. Here as well this should not be done. So we need to go for one more case. Let me draw 2, 1. I am repeating the steps. 5. Here what I want to do is, here as well let me make same 4. Till here the same 9, 7, 6. Here I will perform right rotation. Right rotation. At that time what will be? 7. 7 will be a root. 9 will be here. 6 will be here. Now check this rule properties. No 2 conjugative red is there. It's true. Okay. And we miss 3. 3 is there. As it is, no changes. 3. Here as well will be 3. Anything else? Perfect. So this is the red black tree. Like this we need to perform the insertion operations. That's why before I said you the binary tree and AVL tree. In AVL tree rotations we will use in this red black tree. That's why we need to know it's a sequence. Once again I am repeating. Red black tree properties are, it should be a binary tree. Every node in a red black tree should be red or black. Every leaf node will be a null as a black node. For red node, both child should be a black. Every path from root node to leaf node, black node should be same. With this, what we are trying to do? We are performing the insertion operation now. Yesterday we have seen the example of red black tree. This is a red black tree. Now we are trying to insert the red black tree. First we have inserted 2 as a root node, because always the null node should be a black node. See this rule. Every leaf node, null is a black node. So if you insert a new node, means it should be a black. So 2 is a black here. Then I am inserting 1. Simply I am putting in left side 1 as a red node. Next I am inserting 4. So as 2 is greater than 4, I am inserting in right side. Done. Next I am inserting 5. 5 is right side. If you put as a red node, means issue. So I am changing the color as 4. Say 2, 1, 4. This can be a good. Then I am inserting a 9. It should be here. 2 consecutive. So again I am making color changes. Okay. Then here I am performing some right rotation. Sorry, left rotation. So 5 and 4 and 9. True. Then I am inserting the 3. 2, 1, 5. 2 consecutive red, not a black tree. Then I am making it as a black. Done. I am inserting 6. No changes to the existing tree. It will be left of the 6. Then 7. For 7 we have seen 2 cases, which is wrong. Then final case will be this one. It is perfectly red black tree. This is how we will perform the insertion operation in the red black tree.